Hey guys, Sherri here from Plants for All Seasons, and we're going to talk maintaining your pots through the heat of the summer. It is possible. I have beautiful pots on my back pool deck all summer long. I just have to do a few little things to ensure the success. First and foremost, start with a high quality potting soil. This just happens to be the one that I created with the gardener's success in mind. It's Dirty Dirt Potted. I love it. It's fully loaded and it's ready to go. You get about 8 weeks worth of feed out of it. But fill your pot all the way up with high quality potting soil. So a big pot all the way to the bottom with the good soil. Then plant your plants in there, and then it's all about maintaining and nutrients. Keeping the nutrients up to par in a pot is the hardest thing, because every time you water this pot, nutrients are gonna flow through the bottom and leach out. So we need to replenish those on the regular. So first of all, this is my little recipe for success when it comes to pots. I use the Color Star and the Microlife Ultimate. Every month I alternate one or the other. So 1 month I'll do Color Star, 1 month I'll do the Ultimate. So you sprinkle that in the pot, okay? So this month, let's just say we're gonna do this one. We're gonna sprinkle that in the pot all over the top. Then you water it in. Now let's look at what watering a pot looks like, because even some of my friends I'll go over and they said they just watered their pots, and I'm like, no, you need to water deeper. So when you're watering your pot, invest in a water wand. I can't say this enough. It is the best tool there is in the garden. You're watering all the soil surface, all the way around, and you're gonna water it deep. So sometimes what I do is I'll go water all my pots until the water's like just about to come over the side, and then turn it off, let it penetrate, go water your other pots, then come back and water again. You want to water really deep all the way through that pot so that you get all the roots, okay, until it's dripping out of the bottom. Then what I do, so granular once a month, alternating, and then I'll do a liquid feed like this Ocean Harvest by Microlife is great because it's got all kinds of biology stimulating elements in it. So I put that into a watering can, and every 2 weeks, right after I water, I will go and water the liquid plant food in. The reason I feed so heavy in my pots is because pots are usually in a focal point area in your yard, and you want them to look primo all the time. If you can keep up with the feeding, because we're watering our pots more because of the heat, if you can keep up with the feeding, you can keep everything healthy, happy, and blooming all summer and into the fall.